Somebody, God bless you so much. My name is Apostle Prophet Aaron Watting, and many years ago, the Lord spoke to me about certain earthquakes that were designed against the continent of Africa. We have been praying, and there was an angel that was sent to me, and a blackboard was placed in front of me, and the angel me about earthquakes and the magnitude of a dimension that has never happened before. And we keep praying and we are praying. And you see, I want you to understand something. Things don't just happen. Things don't just happen. Things don't just happen. You see, we can go with all of the senses and we can go with all of the methodologies and we can go by all of the ways of men. But there is a dimension in the realm that is higher than flesh. I want you to understand. I always say this, and I'm going to say it one more time because of this prophetic word. And I had to put this on video because it's soon and very soon. You are spirit, you have a soul, you live in a body. So fear God. And everything is sourced in the realms of the spirit. The manifestation of things we see in the flesh, they are sourced. God is a spirit, the Bible says. So everything God created is sourced from God. And in the realms of the spirit, there are other many entities. You got to understand this. Listen, the Lord spoke to me concerning an earthquake that is heading towards Arizona. And this earthquake is going to two cities. Now, I have never been to Arizona, but there are quite a lot of people that pray with me or join my prayer line who are Americans and others living in America. And it's important that we pray. But we're happy. But prayer has to fill the atmosphere. Arizona, I was told that it will happen in the middle belt. I don't know any of these things I'm talking about. It will affect two cities, but it will have an impact upon Arizona. I don't know Arizona. And this is not in a year. This is something that is a matter of weeks. And I urge you to pray. If you're hearing the sound of my voice, if you know who I am, and if you follow me on Facebook, we are Grand Purpose Commission and CYFC. On Instagram, it is Blaze of Scarlet. On YouTube, it is Grand Purpose Commission. You can follow me, subscribe. There are a lot of other things that the Lord is talking about, but I want prayer to fill the atmosphere. And I don't want you to be shaky and afraid. What is important is to pray. And even as I speak, I pray that you are shielded in every area of your life. I pray that regardless what comes, and regardless the operations of the enemy, you will not lose a loved one. You will not lose properties. You know, the Bible is so powerful, and the Bible doesn't lie. The Bible is not just a book that was written by some group of men. The Bible is a book written by God Himself. And many will talk about the Bible in a way they have no idea. And people say some books have been taken away and a whole lot. Hear me. God is not a stone. God is not some tree somewhere that we go to bow to. God is a being, a living being. By Him do we breathe. God is a person, and He has predestined everything. He has arranged them. And there is nothing that is taken out of the Bible. Believe what I'm saying. I have met Jesus severally. Listen, Jesus said, I am the only way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh to the Father but by me. That meet Jesus. If they are of God, they will tell you, I have met Jesus, and I have met Jesus, and I'm telling you, Jesus had to hit his chest. He says, I am the only way, the truth, and the life. Somebody take this prophetic word serious. I want you to meditate on Psalm 91. If you live in and around Arizona and the cities within the middle belt, southwest of the United States, meditate upon Psalm 91. Pray. I am praying for you too. Somebody, God bless you, and keep tuning in.